Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling HTTP client module and creating an API service that centralizes requests. This keeps code DRY. Once done, set a base URL and environment. TS so you can switch between dev and prod easily. Make sure to inject HTTP client in the service constructor and create a simple get method returning observable T. This first step establishes a single source of truth for API endpoints and headers, which simplifies testing, reuse, and later error handling. You now implement typed requests and robust response handling so components stay thin. Define interfaces for request and response shapes to prevent runtime issues. Then use generics on HTTP client methods and RxJS operators like map and catch error to transform and handle errors. Also implement an HTTP interceptor to attach authorization headers and to refresh tokens when you detect 401 responses. This ensures consistent typing, centralized error handling, and automatic auth renewal without sprinkling logic across components. You finish by consuming API service and components, preferring the async pipe where possible to manage subscriptions automatically. Once done, add loading indicators and optimistic updates for snappy UX, and configure retry logic for transient failures. Finally, write E2E or integration tests against mocked endpoints to validate behavior. If something breaks, inspect the network tab and console logs, verify cores and headers, and ensure tokens are stored and refreshed correctly. This single troubleshooting tip solves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.